students, welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teacher. Here in this video I will cover exercise 5.1. So here this is the question number 1. Okay, so here find the complement of each of the following angles. So in my introduction video I had explained about the complementary angles. So the sum of the angles having 90 degree is the complementary angles. So we have to find the complement of this one. So just we have to subtract with the 90 degree. Okay, so here 20 plus x equal to 90 degree. So x equal to 90 degree minus 20 degree. 3 4 5 6 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 7 70 degree. X equal to 70 degree. Okay, now here 63 degree it is here. So 60 degree plus x equal to 90 degree. So x equal to 90 minus 63. So x equal to 10 minus 3 is 7 and here 8 minus 6 is 27 degree. Okay, so this is the complement of 63 degree. Okay, so you have to write like this: 70 degree is the complement. Like this you have to complete it. Complement of 20 degree. Like way you have to write in here also. The third one is 57 degree. This is the 57. Okay, so 57 degree plus x equal to 90 degree. So x equal to 90 degree minus 57 degree. So here x equal to 33 degree I will get. So this is the first question. Next question is question number 2. Here you have to find a supplement here. Okay, supplementary means we know that supplementary means 180 degree. Okay, so here 105 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. So let the supplement be x degree here. So x equal to 180 minus 105. So what I will get here? X equal to 10 minus 5 is 5 and 75 degree. So x equal to 75 degree is the supplement of, we have to write like this: 75 degree is the supplement of 105 degree, like this. Okay, now come to here. That is the second question, 87 degree. So 87 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 degree minus 87 degree. So x equal to 10 minus 7 is 3 and 17 minus 8 is 9. So it is 93 degree, and like this you have to conclude 93 degree is the supplement of 87 degree. Now come to the third part, that is 154 degree. So here you have to find the supplement. Therefore we had sum the 180 degree. For complement you have to sum for 90 degree. Okay, so here 154 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. So here x equal to 180 minus 154 degree. X equal to 10 minus 4 is 6, 7 minus 5 is 2. Yes, x equal to 26 degree. So here 26 degree is the supplement of 154 degree. So that is the your question number 2. Now students, let's come to the question number 3. Here you have to identify which of the following angles are complementary angles and which are the supplementary angles. So here it is given the two angles. So what you have to do is you have to sum these two angles. So if it is 90 degree, if the sum is 90 degree, so these are the complementary angles, and if the sum of this angles is 180 degree, so that will be the supplementary angles. So let's do first question here. You have to sum this one. So 65 plus 115. So here 5 is 10, 1 6 1 7 plus 1 is 8 and 1. So 180 degree means this is the supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Okay, so you have to find like this. Okay, here number second is 63 and 27. You have to sum this. So here 7 plus 3 is 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90 degree. That is the complementary angles, because it is 90 degree. The sum is 90 degree means complementary angles. Here 112 plus 68 is 180 degree. So this is the supplementary angles, right? Now this is, you can see 130 degree. One is, or you can see this also. If it is one obtuse angle and one acute angle, directly you can see and tell. Okay, for the shortcut trick I am saying, but you have to show in your exam. Okay, if it is one acute angle and one obtuse angle, so this will be the supplementary angles. If both are acute angles, so that will be the complementary angles. That is less than 90 degree, then only it will come the 90 degree. Okay, so here 130 degree plus 50 degree, so it is 180 degree, because it is the obtuse angle and one is acute angle. So this is the supplementary angles, right? Here 45 degree, 45 degree, so both are acute angles, so the sum will be 90 degree only. You can see here 45 degree plus 45 degree, that is equal to 90 degree, and this one is the complementary angles. Here 80 degree plus 10 degree, that is equal to 90 degree, and that will be the complementary angles, right? So this is the question number 3rd. Okay students, let's see question number 4 here. You have to find the angles which is equal to its complement. Okay, so let the angles be x. So for complement, we know that the sum will be 90 degree. Okay, so x plus x equal to 90 degree you have to write. Okay, first equation. Then x plus x is 2x equal to 90 degree, and x equal to, you have to apply the simple equation here. Okay, x equal to 90 divided by 2, that is 45 degree, x equal to 45 degree. So the measure will be 45 degree each. Okay students, let's see the next question, that is question number 5. Here you have to find the angles which is equal to its supplement. So for supplementary, we know that the sum is 180 degree. Okay, so here let the angles be x. So x plus x is equal to 180 degree. Here 2x equal to 180 degree, and x equal to 180 divided by 2, that is 90 degree. So x equal to 90 degree. So here the measure is 90 degree each. That is the question number 6. Next question. Here it is given some figure, it is given that angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles, and if angle 1 is decreased, what changes should take place so that both angles still remain changed. Okay, so I had tell you about the supplementary angles, that one angle is acute angle and other angle should be obtuse angle, right? So here you can see that angle 2 is acute and angle 1 is obtuse angle. Okay, so this makes the supplementary angle, and it is given that angle 1 is decreased. If angle 1 is decreased, means it become acute angle, so angle 2 should be increased. Okay, so that changes should take place for both angles still remains unchanged, remains supplementary, sorry. For the supplementary, this is the need. So here you can see that the angle 1 is obtuse and this is acute, and if angle 1 is decreased means this side, okay, if angle 1 decreased, so it becomes acute angle. So angle 2 should be, this will be the answer, angle 2 should be increased for the obtuse angle. Okay, so that both angles still remain supplementary. So that is your answer 6. Okay students, that is the question number 7. You can see here, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are? Okay, if both the angles are acute angles. So let's see here, I am taking acute angles 30 degree. Acute angles means less than 90 degree, right? So I am taking less than 90 degree, 30 degree plus 60 degree, that is equal to 90 degree. So it becomes complementary angle, okay, not supplementary. So answer is no here, no. Okay, obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree, okay. So greater than 90 degrees, 120 degree and 150 degree. I am taking like this some for examples here. So you can sum it. I am getting here 270 degree. So it is neither complementary nor supplementary. So here you have to say if the two angles are acute, so the sum is supplementary or not. So here the answer is no. We had seen for supplementary angles that one angle is acute and one is obtuse, or either two right angles, that is 180 degree. Okay, so right angles is 90 degree plus 90 degree. If both are right angles, so the sum is 180 degree. So yes, if both angles are right angles, so it becomes supplementary angles. Okay, so this is the last question in my video. I hope you understood and clear your doubts in my introduction video and this video. So please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.